Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this Wear and Go wig. So continue watching. So shout out to premiumlacewig Fashion and Beauty for sponsoring today's video. I'm just gonna unbox and show you guys what I received. So I got some lashes, some clips, a wig cap, a tail comb, a melt band. We got a service card with all the information you would need, and of course the wig itself. So this is a loose wave wear and go wig. It's a 5x5 closure wig. It has 2 combs at the side. There's one comb at the back of the closure, and there's one comb at the back of the wig. So they also have their tags labeled on the wig as well. There's an adjustable band inside, and there is that grip at the back of the wig to help it from slipping. I'm just showing you guys how the lace looks on my skin. This wig was pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. It is 180 density as well. So we're gonna get into this install. So like always, my hair was braided back into 6 straight back braids. You wanna make sure they're nice and flat. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig cap. And when I put on the wig cap, I do like to push it back a bit behind my hairline. Next, I'm going to be applying my concealer with my makeup brush, and I'm just applying it in the area that the lace will be sitting. And I'm also going to be applying that same concealer to the back of the wig onto the lace as well. Now I'm just going to be putting on the wig. So I'm using the comb at the back of the wig, sticking it at the back of the middle of my head, and I use that as a guide to make sure that it is centered, and then I just go ahead and pull it up. So now I'm just going to create my middle part. And I will be going in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to form my part and make sure that it is flat. Alright, so this is basically how it is looking. I decided that I wanted to go in and pluck the hairline some more. You do not have to go in and pluck the hairline. You could just leave it as is. But I did want to create some baby hairs, so I wanted to go in more and pluck it so it could look more natural. So once I've plucked the hairline to my liking, I'm just gonna go ahead and part out the baby hairs that I will be creating. Now I'm going to go in with my razor and I'm just going to cut the hair as short as I want it. And then I will be using my ebon spray to just make the swoops.
And you are the time of my life. Amaru, yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Hey, I did everything I said, but I did it all my way. Oh wow, told you when you came my way, can nobody take your place. Oh wow, you know like the game them play. Give it to you straight all day. Oh wow, body do the talking, babe. Baby, you feel make man praise. Oh wow, yeah. Today oh wanna odo ejinye la lo me. Ame bude quick be my hotepe oh yeah. You bring the energy that I need to charge my life. And if it do you no wrong, baby. Yeah. And you are the time of my life.
Now I'm just going back over the top portion of the wig with my wax stick and my hot comb just so that it is laying nice and flat.
Yeah. You brought the days to my nights. Me no look no other way. Do anything for my babe. Oh wow, too much on that body, babe. You gon' take my breath away. Oh wow, she gon' make magic in the bed room and I can't wait. Big mood, in love with you forever. Yeah.
I also went back in with my brush that I used on the wig to help it blend in more. And this is how it is looking. So this is the curls when it is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and wet it. There is only water in this water bottle, so I just went ahead and basically wet the entire head. And once I did that, I went in with a curl defining product that I have for my curly hair and just spread that all over the hair as well.
Something you do to my heart. Something you do, girl. I can't explain it. Yeah. And you are the time of my life.
So this product is from the brand African Pride. It's Moisture Miracle. It's called a curling cream. So I just found it at my local beauty supply store. It has shea butter and flaxseed oil in it, and it just moisturizes and defines the curls. So I'm just spreading that all over my hair. So this is the curls. I also decided to go in with my concealer and just conceal the part of it so it just looks a lot more natural, at least to me. This is a preference thing. You do not have to go and do this. And then I went in with my makeup brush and just patted down my hairline to help the lace blend even better with my skin. And that was basically that. I also just touched it back up with my wax stick and my hot comb for the finishing touch, make it look nice and sleek. And this was it. It was so beautiful. I love a loose wave curl. Once again, this here is from Premium Lacewig Fashion and Beauty. So if you guys are interested in this unit, all their details will be down in my description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. They have a lot of other hair stuff as well. If you have made it this far, I hope you are subscribed to my channel. Comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel about these wear and go wigs, if it's something that you try. But yeah, like this video, and thank you for staying tuned. I will see you guys in the next one.